Good day. Now, in our today class, we'll be talking about the authoritative parenting. The authoritative parenting set the rules of engagement, that is, gives the rules, the guideline to the child. Now, the child is expected to follow the rules. However, like the authoritarian, the child has no negotiable authority. But in the case of authoritative, the parent gives the child the ability to negotiate, that is, to give the reason behind their action. So the child tends to tell about the action, the reason behind the action that he actually demonstrated. For example, if the parent to tell the child to please sit down here or eat this food, eat this food, eat it. The child can ask, Daddy, why am I eating this food? What is the benefit of eating this food? The parent therefore explain. That is, the authoritative parents give the child the opportunity to ask and also have a closer bond with such kind of children. There is an interaction that exists between the child and the parents. And also, when the child breaks the rule, he knows the consequences. That is, you are actually disciplining a child based on the rule, and then the child knows the reason behind the discipline. Now, when you beat a child without the child understanding why you are beating the child, you have not actually a corrective parents. But when a child is beaten or discipline based on the fact that he has break a particular rule of engagement, then the child is part and parcel of the process. So you see that the values that the child is exhibiting a value that is how will I put it, that a value that has a ability to nurture the child in a right direction. So he knows the rules, he knows the consequences, and when he breaks the rules, so he learns faster because it's part and parcel of the parenting style. Most likely, this authoritative parenting is highly recommendable for parents. The children are part and parcel of the process of parenting, and the child knows the rules, and when he breaks the rules, he knows the consequences, and when he's beaten, he knows the reason behind the discipline that takes place. And so most parents, they have this close bond, this close relationship with the child. There's a parent and a child relationship. God bless you. In our next video, we'll be talking about the permissive parenting. The permissive parenting. God bless.